Yuanda's 20-ton biomass reciprocating grate steam boiler has been successfully installed and commissioned at a sugar mill in Vietnam. The system is now operating reliably, providing continuous steam for the entire sugar production process. The boiler is designed to utilize locally available biomass fuel. In this project, tree bark is used as the primary fuel, reducing fuel costs while promoting sustainable energy utilization. The high combustion chamber, staged air distribution, and staged combustion technology ensure complete fuel combustion while effectively preventing slacking. The membrane water wall and water-cooled arch improve thermal efficiency and reduce heat loss. An optimized feeding system prevents fuel backburning, while the online soot blowing system keeps heating surfaces clean for long-term efficient operation. Yuanda Boiler provides customized solutions, including fuel feeding, combustion, ash handling, water treatment, flue gas treatment, and complete boiler house layout design.